V Kids TV.
Hello kids, welcome to Reindeer Christmas Adventure. Once upon a snowy day, in the magical land of the North Pole, there was a little reindeer named Jingle who got lost while playing with his friends. Oh no! Jingle needed to find his way back to Santa's workshop. Jingle trotted through the snowy forest, leaving little hoof prints in the snow. He met friendly woodland creatures who tried to help him find Santa, but the path was full of twists and turns. As Jingle ventured deeper into the snowy village, he heard the faint sound of bells ringing in the distance. With excitement in his eyes, Jingle followed the sound, hoping it would lead him to Santa. The sight of the twinkling lights and joyful elves filled his heart with warmth. But where was Santa? And there he was. Santa Claus, with his rosy cheeks and hearty laugh, greeted Jingle with open arms. The joyous reunion warmed the entire North Pole. Santa was so grateful that Jingle had found his way home. And so, Jingle the reindeer and Santa Claus spent the merriest Christmas together. If you enjoyed Jingle's magical adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe for more festive fun. Happy holidays, everyone!